Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hola, good day everyone. In Indonesian proverb, tak kenal maka tak sayang. So, before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Aliana Swahamza, and you can call me Alia. My number student is 2311012003. Yeah, as you know, I make this video to complete my assignment from my English lecture, where the task is make the describing text on a video about your major, where I choose the title is How to Create a Basic LED Circuit. Before we start it, we must have the materials needed. First, one piece of LED. Secondly, one piece of resistor, one piece of protoboard, several pieces of jumper wires, a 9-volt battery or 5-volt USB power source. This is an optional option. If you need it, you can use a multitester. Next, the step. The first step is you must to prepare the component and make sure the protoboard and component are in good condition and not damaged. Secondly, LED must identified by you and make sure the anode and the cathode. The LED will only light up when current flow from the anode to the cathode. After that, resistor is placed into a protoboard. One leg of the resistor should go into one of the rows on the protoboard and the other leg into a separate row. The function of the resistor is limits the current flowing through the LED to prevent it from burning out. Next step is LED connected by placing the anode of the LED in the same row as one end of the resistor, where the anode is the longer leg and the cathode is the other leg, placed into a different row. After that, the power source is wired. Before that, you must know power sources. If you using a 9-volt battery, first connect the positive terminal of the battery clip to the same row as the free leg of the resistor. Secondly, connect the negative terminal of the battery clip to the same row as the cathode of the LED. And if you using a 5-volt USB power source, connect the VCC positive wire to the same row as the free leg of the resistor, and connect the GND negative wire to the same row as the cathode of the LED. Don't connect the battery or power source yet to avoid accidental short circuit during sound assembly. Okay, next double check your connection. Verify all connection against the schematic diagram and ensure that the components are properly seated and connected. The circuit powered by connected the battery clip to the 9-volt battery or plug in the USB power source. After that, the LED should light up, indicating that the circuit is complete and functioning. If you have a troubleshooting, check the following. First, ensure all connections are tight and correct. Secondly, verify the LED is connected with the correct polarity. Example, anode to positive, cathode to negative. Third, check the resistor value and its connection. Fourth, ensure the power source is supplying the correct voltage. Fifth, use a multimeter to test the power supply and continuity of the connection. By following this step, you will successfully create a basic LED circuit, providing a fundamental understanding of how LEDs and resistors work together in simple electronic circuit. I think that's all. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.